Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Gitcoin. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Gitcoin GTC is a decentralized ecosystem built to fund and sustain essential public goods like open source software and community projects within the Web3 space. It operates a pioneering grants program that uses quadratic funding to amplify small donation, directing over $60 million to thousands of projects. The ecosystem is powered by a suite of tools for grants management, decentralized identity verification, and an open source funding protocol. Its native GTC token is primarily a governance token, giving holders voting power over the Gitcoin DAO's treasury and strategic direction. Gitcoin project institutional rating is 4.1. Gitcoin project total supply is 100 million and circulating supply is around 87.94 million GTC token. GTC token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Crypto.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.